Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today is the Teachers Day. So happy Teachers Day, all of you. So today special rajma curry. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, take rajma and take an empty bowl, pour on it and add water on that and soak overnight of this rajma. Next day morning, strain water like so. Okay, next take a cooker and take the rajma and pour on it into that cooker and add water on that, full of water on that like so. Now take a cooker closer and close on it and take a vessel and put on the vessel on that cooker and flame on. Now put the flame on sim. Okay, do not flame on medium or high. This is very important. Okay, now wait for until it comes 3 whistles. First whistle, second whistle, and finally third whistle also coming. Now off the stove. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it's cool. Now pour the rajma into a strainer like so and strain the water. This water later on using when curry preparation, so take a side of water. Now take an empty vessel like so and pour oil 2 or 3 spoons and add jeera on that, 1 spoon of jeera and roast it well. Okay, now add ginger garlic paste on that, 1 spoon and again roast it well. Now add chopped onions and chopped tomato on that. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt. This is small spoon, so I added 2.5 tablespoons. Now add pinch of turmeric. Now add 1 tablespoon of chole masala. Okay, now add garam masala 1 spoon and coriander powder also 1 spoon. Mix it well and roast it. Now add curry leaves and coriander leaves on that. Now I added red mirchi powder 2.5 tablespoons. Now added is rajma water. Already we are strained that. So I added 1 glass of, it should be 1 glass of water. Now added lastly rajma on that. Don't mix very well. Just mix like so. Just mix like so. That's it. So last and final, add kasuri methi if you are wish. Crush that kasuri methi and add it on that. This is optional. So now again mix it well. So it's completed. Now flame off and take a bowl and serve on it with a chapathi or rice. Okay, now it's tasted time. Now I tasted it with a chapathi. This is the super healthy recipe. So you're gonna try this. So this is the Teachers Day special recipe. So if you are like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you. Happy Teachers Day, all of you once again. Bye.